Fiberglass tank repair, restoring durability and functionality. Fiberglass tank repair is essential for restoring the strength and performance of your storage systems. Over time, tanks can develop cracks, leaks, and structural damage that compromise their reliability. Professional fiberglass repairs address these issues using advanced techniques and durable materials, ensuring your tanks are restored to optimal condition. With proper repairs, you can extend the lifespan of your fiberglass tanks and maintain their efficiency in even the most demanding environments.